Hi, book friends. This book is called In a People House. This book helps us slow down and notice all the stuff that we have in our home. Some stuff is very useful, and there's also some fun stuff too. So let's open the book and explore together. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. "Come inside, Mr. Bird," said the mouse. "I'll show you what there is in a people house." Oh, they're going through the window. A people house has things like chairs, things like roller skates and stairs. Banana, bathtub, bottles, brooms. That's what you find in people's rooms. Scissors, needle, buttons, thread, cup and saucer, pillow, bed. Oh, they're enjoying the bed. These are donuts. Here's a door. Come along, I'll show you more. Here's a ceiling. Here's a floor. Wow, those are cool pointers. Piano, peanuts, popcorn, pails, pencil, paper, hammer, nails. Salt and pepper, goldfish, key, table, telephone, TV. Come on, there's more to see. Ooh, I think the bird likes the TV. You'll see a kitchen sink in a people house, a shoe and a sock and a clock, said the mouse. Oh, and what time is it? It looks like it's 4 o'clock. Bread and butter. Window, wall, toothbrush, hairbrush, big blue ball. Wow, look at those teeth. Baked beans, bureau drawers, and books. Oh, lots and lots of books. Lights and lamps, and hats and hooks. Mirror, marbles, shirt and string. Knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, they like that. Doll and dishes, teapot, trash. Look out below, I'm going to crash. Oh. And another thing, it's time you knew. A people house has people too. Uh-oh. And now, Mr. Bird, you know, said the mouse, you know what there is in a people house. Oh, are they getting kicked out? Because they belong outside, don't they? Not in a people house. They're wild animals. And that's the end of In a People House. Yay! Wow. What a silly book about all the things that are in a home. Yes, and some have a lot of purpose to them. This story reminds us to appreciate the little things that help our day run so smoothly. Well, until next time, bye, book friends.